Good day, everyone, and welcome to the BTC Light Brigade YouTube channel. I'd like to thank you all for joining us. Today is March the 23rd. I hope you all had a great week of trading, and we're back with you now to do some analysis and forecasting for this upcoming week. The last video I posted gave you a forecast for March the 18th, so let's look at that forecast first. Alright, so this was the forecast. As you can see, we've broken it down into 3 sessions: the Asian, the London, and the New York session. The first 4 times in the Asian session would be for March the 17th evening. Alright, so 5:45, 7:30, 9:25, and 10:10. Then we kick over to the 18th when it says 12:20. And these all timings are in North American Eastern Standard Time. You'll have to do the conversion wherever you are in the world. And what happens at these times? The market creates support and resistance levels that we trade off of. Let's take a look at the chart now to see exactly how this works. Alright, so here's the chart for March 18th. This dotted line here is where the Asian session starts. Now, just looking previous to this, you can see that we made a high here, and this low is lower than this low, and this high is lower than that high. So we're going to be looking at sell trades when our time signals kick in. And I've gone ahead and marked all our time signals with white vertical lines, and when the market approaches our time signal, we draw our horizontal support or resistance lines. Alright, so the first one is here. The market's been coming down. We find support here. You can see we get bullish candle. We're not interested in going north. We want south trades. So we're just going to have to ignore all this. Our next time signal, also the market was coming down. It found support there, went up. So we have to wait till the market breaks this level. It breaks it here on a bearish candle. We can go short here, stop above this high, or better yet, this high here. Market comes back, tests it once, comes south, comes back again to test. Another bearish candle. That's another confirmation there. Or you can enter here if you didn't enter over here. Market goes down to our next time signal. It gives a bullish candle, a bearish candle right at that time signal. The market comes back to test it, goes south again. So that's good for another short. But the thing is, you'd have to place your stop here at the last high. If that is too much risk for you, ignore this. Plus, the next time signal is very close together, and I've said in the past, when you have time signals close together, oftentimes just try to ignore the first one, go with the second one. What happens at the second one? Our market comes back up again, and then that's where we draw our resistance line. The market goes sideways. You don't want to go north on these bullish candles here because we're looking for sell trades. Wait till the market breaks it here nicely with a hammer. You can go short here. Market comes back up, not quite to the level, but gives you another bearish candle, so you're good for the short. Okay, it goes sideways for a while till it hits our time signal again, and finally the market breaks it here. We're good for another short. Market comes back up to test it, cannot get above it, comes back up to test it once again with bearish candles here, so we are good for the short. Even here, when the time signal hits, we can see we get a hammer trade under the resistance level, and it goes south. You're getting bullish candles here, get out of that trade. All right, wait for the next one, which happens here. Market does a little up move, comes back down again, time signal kicks in, we draw our resistance level. Market cannot get past there. We've got bearish candles here. You could take that south, but this one's very close. Be careful where the market's going to find some support. It comes back up to test this resistance level. Let me just drag that over more. As soon as it touches it, you get a nice bearish engulfing candle. You're good for the short again. It comes down to our next level, tries to get above it, but it cannot. You got wicks here, you got a bearish engulfing candle here. You're good for another short. All right, market comes down, way down, starts going sideways here. That's good profit. You want to get out there. And then these two are very close together. You can ignore this, and when the market starts going sideways like this, it did find support at those times, right? You were ignoring all these up moves here on that level. When it comes to here, this level, the market breaks through it. I'll move this out of the way so you can see that this is the red candle that it broke through on. It's a big candle, so what happens with big candles? They're tested. I say when the market retraces to about 50% of it, take a short here. As you can see, it came all the way back up to that time level, gave us some wick candles and a bearish candle. So we're good for the short again till the next time frame where it starts finding support. And this is the end of the day, so you don't want to trade at this point. And besides, look what it did here. It could not take out the previous low here, made a higher high, so maybe we're looking for buy trades again. Anyhow, that was a great day of trading, shorts all the way, and we caught all this resistances here, 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 this one. So it was a rather good day of trading. So now in front of you, you have a forecast for March the 24th. Broken down into 3 sessions again, Asian, London, and New York. And please keep in mind the first 4 timings listed in the Asian session, which would be all of them, those are for March 23rd evening, all right? So please keep that in mind. And these are the timings that I look at for the most probable turning points to make highs and lows on an intraday level on the charts. And that just about wraps up our video for today. Please do remember to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you are interested in getting these timings on a daily basis in your emails, please shoot us over a message. The email is in the description. And best of luck with your trading this week, and we'll catch you again. Thank you for watching.